Let me just say this. I'm just gonna say this right here, right now. After school, your nipples are crunchy.
Crunch. The tragic cum sponge. Your cum is fading. Sweep up the cum flakes, Joan.
Hey, well, I want to say gangbang with the Xbox Series X and the PlayStation 5.
Oh, Steven.
Then to create a smoothie.
Do it.
Wait, you actually want me to pour the juice in there?
Sure, those chips are probably stale. They're like 7
Okay,
months
you're
old.
responsible when it spills out. Okay, you accept the fate.
Yes.
Now, let me just mix it up to make it sure it's extra
Wait, I
cummy.
want to record this too. Just wait a sec.
We gotta get 2 different angles.
Wait, just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You be swallowing it that cum good. Are you both ready? It's disgusting. This is fucking disgusting. That better not start leaking.
It smells like shit.
It's literally just Coke.
It's so heavy.
It's literally just Coke mixed with.
No, it's
Pringles.
Pepsi. No, it's Pepsi and Coke mixed with Pringle with Jalapeno, flavored Coke. Pepsi. No,
Wait a minute.
well, okay. So there's 3 flavors in here. There's Pepsi, there's Coke, and there's Jalapeno Pringles.
Wait a minute. So wait.
Is there anything else we can put in there?
Just whip out the most dastardly concoction. Oh my god. That looks like it could be another
It looks
cake.
like barf.
Hey.
The juices underneath look like barf.
It looks like it'd be for a cake
Well,
video.
just Shrek dips his lips in it.
Oh. Wait.
Wait,
Let's
Let's
get his-
serve that.
who should we sacrifice?
We shouldn't sacrifice Shrek, but rather we should.
Should we sacrifice your cum sock?
I don't have one.
Wait, so what's this thing used for then?
That's just. Wait. Let's not sacrifice Shrek. Let's sacrifice his child.
No, don't do it. Wait, should we do this outside? I'll carry this. We should pour the juices on him as a sacrifice. Oh god, it smells like shit. Will, can I use this pen to stab it together so it turns into mush? Do I have your permission? Oh, it's mushy.
Of course it is. You.
Wait, there's another ingredient in there. There's a dead fly.
The dead fly adds flavor.
Okay, I can now smell more jalapeno than.
Should we throw the witch? The witch is a bitch.
I don't like the witch.
Wait, no, don't throw the witch.
Throw the witch in. Wait. Just the head.
It's
Just the head.
Oh, get the fuck in there, you piece of shit, witch.
Would you?
It's nice and wet, just like a fine pussy. Wait, Will, what's that?
I found a dead skeleton in my bath.
Can I use that to also mix this? Because this pen kind of sucks.
I found a dead skeleton in the bathtub last
I need
night.
this though.
Why?
I found
It's
a
a
dead.
flip phone. It's like an ancient.
Okay, Will, is there anything else I can use other than this pen? Because that pen sucks.
I found a dead skeleton in my bathtub last night.
Can I use, like, one of your pencils in here? What?
It was missing a leg,
Wait, what?
and the leg was on the shelf.
I just need access to fucking continue to sacrifice.
What the fuck?
Life is cruel, man.
What the fuck?
Life is cruel, man.
So long, Gay Bowser.
Wait, you stuck your baby Shrek in there.
Drink
No.
up, Will.
Okay.
Will.
I hope you weren't.
Would you? Let's throw a battery in there for just.
What the fuck?
No!
What the fuck?
Don't throw.
Do you have a charger for this?
That will create an atomic bomb.
Okay.
No, it's a chargeable battery. You know how dangerous those shits are?
Oh, what else can we throw in there? Can we throw this dinosaur in?
Thor is...
I want to create the most...
Oh, there's another one.
ass balls.
Shit!
Anal beads.
Oh, well, can I use a screwdriver to mix up the juices? Well, I need something to actually...
Eyeballs.
Well, seriously, I need something to mix up the stuff. Can I use this?
Well, I like how we're supposed to be filming the movie right now because that's supposed to come out in 2 days. But we're making a concoction instead.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, can I use the end of this?
Thor's making the concoction. We're watching.
I'm a mad scientist that's off his meds.
Do the Bartman. Do the Bartman.
Okay,
Do the Bartman. Bartman. Do the Bartman.
I'm going to use this.
What?
Dance with me.
Pencil.
Dance
Oh,
with
the
me.
smell. Was it smells like crayons? Moldy crayons.
Do the Bartman with me. Why'd you shove the E in there?
Okay. Oh, this is the most disgusting mix of... Well, I think this is going to start leaking soon. We should probably get this outside before it's too late. No, we're just keeping the pencil in there, too.
What the fuck? It's like
This looks like something on Cursed Images.
Alright, let's teleport outside.